Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you a problem I'm having with my orchids. Well, a couple of them, not all of them. This one is blooming. As you can see, it's very pretty and it's a small orchid. It's not a big orchid. I don't know, these sticky things that start coming on there, and then there's these brown stuff on it. I don't know if it's favits or fabits, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's getting on my nerves. They always seem to appear on a couple of the orchids. I have maybe 8 or 10 orchids, and like a couple of them are always being attacked. And they leave this sticky residue. You can see how it's shiny. It's a sticky residue. It's on there, on the middle of the plant as well, and I'm getting very upset with this thing. I keep on cleaning it, I keep on wiping it, but they seem to appear for some reason. My other one that I had more, well, that one seems to be okay so far. It has not come back. I wiped it with a damp cloth with a bit of alcohol and wiped them, and it seems to help. But one of them just keeps on coming on and over. So if any of you guys know what to do or which is the best way to get rid of these ugly sticky stuff, please comment below and let me know. I would appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.